Nana, what bomoding? I'm a Sandy4. I'm a Ghana 4. I'm a Yemianum Gabon 4. To have gone as far as you did, the sleepless nights and all the time you spent assisting our government. I think I should also use the occasion to say a big thank you on behalf of our people, and especially the Gabon people, for the effort the president has also put in. He's brought about peace to that.
Now we started talking to the IMF, and they were stalling the program and extending the discussions, negotiations. I mean, after a finished meeting, it says, okay, and then they give you another day to meet about a month away. Meanwhile, it was critical to get this program locked in as quickly as possible. So one day, in one of my frustrations, I was in Kumasi and I went to see him. And he asked me how things were going. And then I explained to him what was going on, And then I remembered that, he had quite some good friends in high places, So I said, can you intervene in this thing? I know Jim Wilson is your friend. Can you, get him to speed up these negotiations for a program for us? And he readily accepted. And because of that request, he got ready. He called Jim Wilson. He took a flight. He flew, met him. They went together to Washington. And Jim Wilson took him to, at that time, the IMF director was Madame Lagarde. Yeah. And they went and saw her. And then after the meeting, in a short space of time, things changed. And then suddenly, we had the extended credit facility, the ECF. And that is the program that turned the economy around, because I'm proud that under that program, in 2016, almost for the first time in our history, we did zero central bank financing of the budget. We didn't take one single cedi, from the central bank, and then we handed over, to the new administration. So as for Otumfuo, I could say so many things about him. Of course, you've talked of. Thank you very much for the honor that you've done the king.
I'm sure God will continue to bless you and fulfill you. I wish you well. Long live Otumfuo, long live Ghana, and long live Asante.